Hello students, today I will experiment about diversity of life. I won't be explaining much. It's very simple experiment along with assignment. No lab report is required, just only assignment where you have to draw a different shape of cells. Now I believe that you will be covering a whole chapter about diversity of life, studying different shapes of cells, different life tree cells, let's say. So I am actually featuring for you over here what we have in the lab as microscopic slides. And till now, we actually did view a few cells together. So I hope that will be much more easier for you to absorb and understand the whole idea of this experiment. It's just learning about different shapes of cells. Now over here, let me just go over here a second. This is the animal cell. As you can see, it is round in shape. The nucleus is centered. When we view it under the microscope, compound microscope, the only thing that you can see is the round shape, the cytoplasm, and the nucleus in the center. As for the plant cell, it's rectangular in shape. This is cell wall. Right beneath it is the cell membrane, and this nucleus is always on the side due to the central vacuole that pushes the nucleus on the side. And this is fungus. This is actually black mold. The black mold that you see it on bread, fungus. This is the one when we take scratch of the black mold and we put it under the microscope, this is what we see. It's multicellular, those small dots over here. So many cells. So fungus undergoes multicellular eukaryotic cells. These are eukaryotes. Over here we have protist, also eukaryotes. This is paramecium, where you can see it looks like an eye shape, and cilia that surrounds the cell and the nucleus over here centered. We have prokaryotes, and I gave you one sample over here, bacteria bacilli. Now the name bacilli comes from the shape. It looks like road shape. Let's say this is what it looks like under the microscope, and you cannot see any nucleus, of course. And this is viruses, and to be more specific, this is the coronavirus I'm featuring for you. As you can see, it is circle with those antenna on the sides. It looks like a crown. This is what we call it. Corona comes from the name crown. This is COVID-19. So from all viruses, I give you this shape for you to learn, and I'm sure that you all know the shape of coronavirus by now. It's a very famous virus. So this is basically what I have let's say examples that I'm actually trying to give. You have to learn these shapes. You have to know and name them. Like for example, when I give you this shape, you will just refer as bacteria bacilli. If I give you this shape, it is virus, just virus. Do not name them. This is paramecium, fungus, and plant animal cell. I need you to differentiate between them. You have an assignment where you have to draw them. Hand drawing, please. I need you to understand them, to differentiate them. When you look at them, you know exactly what you're looking at, and name them as well. So this is all for today's experiment. Very simple. You will have only one paper sheet to draw those different cells, and that's it. This is all for today. Thank you very much.